Unahan mo. Ano bang gusto? Doon muna tayo, mamaya na tayo mag-con. Mas ano, mas stable siya.
Oo, kasi na ganyan.
Oo.
Pero okay na to?
Okay na yan. Eh. Wala yung pusino. Ano gan? Putol kanina. Oh, marami doon. Marami. Marami dyan. Ito, pang-ano mo lang dyan. Pang-ano. Tingnan mo dyan, ramay na dyan. Woo! Marami yan, ito na. Ito na yung umpisa agad. Dito Gar. Woo! Gar. Woo! Hey.
Woke up at dawn, boots on my feet. The rooster's crow is my morning beat. Flannel shirt, tractors humming the air. This simple life don't have a care. 'Cause I'm a country boy living it right, under the stars in the pale moonlight, with the fields to roam and a heart that's true. Ain't nothing else I'd rather do. Fishing pole leaning by the old creek, mud on my jeans every day of the week. Mama's pie on the windowsill, working all day, but I love it still. 'Cause I'm a country boy living it right,
Papakita ko naman sa inyo guys ang aking point of view, okay? Let's go! Record ba? Uphill! Mas! Downhill! Woo! Go! Hey! Ganda dito, Gar. Yan o, tatawirin natin yung tulay, Gar. Tatawirin natin yung tulay. Yan o, yung sa taas mo. Oo. Hindi, diretso. Yan na yung matarik. Ito na yung magdan. Ito? Agkatin mo yan, Gar, sa kaliwa. Meron dyan sa kaliwa. Agkatin mo, Gar. Oo, agkatin mo yan. Tuloy tayong tatawirin. Tatawirin kita doon, Gar. Tignan mo. Ang ganda, Gar. Oh. Yun. 1, 2, 3. Sabah, huy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, kita. 1, 2. Okay na, Gar. Nakabag ako. Yun, no? Ito pa tayo dun, sa tulay pa, Gar. Oo, madadaanan lang natin yan. Doon tayo sa Golden Bar tayo.
Rolling hills and amber skies, the sun dips low. Windows down an old road that we both know. Rustling leaves and distant fields aglow. In this moment, it's just you and me alone. Cows in the pasture graze without a care. Silhouettes against the dusk, a gentle prayer. Cricket chorus rising fills the evening air. Every mile I feel your love everywhere. Driving slow, hand in hand through twilight's embrace. Every turn, every bend, I can trace your face in the sunset's glow. Your eyes I can't replace. Every road we take is our sacred space. Golden fields stretch far as we roam. Open skies whisper that we're home. beats steady like a metronome. In your arms I'm never alone.
Saan ka na? Ay! Ba't nandiyan ka na? Magte-trail doon. Tara Gar, balik. Dito. Wala dyan, wala na dyan. Downhill. Woo! Downhill Gar. Woo! Ha? Talagar? Oo. Dito, diretso. Yan. Gold bar na no? Oh, gold bar.
Ito?
Diretso na. Thank you. Hindi, dito. Hindi, kaliwa, kanan. Angas na facing. Hindi. Yung ano, yun yung tatalunan. Magja-jump yun, jump yun. Ito yung maganda Gar. Kaso ang ganda nga ng ano, ng lugar. Oh. Ayun oh. Yung Gold Bar Park. Ganda dito guys. So papasyal namin kayo guys. Sit back and enjoy. Ha? Ganda dito Gar. Ito na yung bridge. Ito, Gold Bar. Picture lang kita dito Gar. Yan o, yung bridge na yan o. Hey, hey. Ainsworth.
Paano mo sila Gar? Ayusin mo yan.
Oh, grabe.
Parang yun eh.
Ang taas! Yeah. Oh, di ba worth it? Angas ang view Gar.
Pwede ba babaya?
Ano, sulit mo na yung bike mo?
Gar,
Nasulit mo na yung bike mo ah.
gusto ko yung lumalapat yung gulong.
Oh, mas maganda yun Gar. Yan, hindi ko makapit no.
Dapat dito tayo nag-slide Gar.
Wag Gar. Bangin yan Gar.
Ito ulit din.
Grabe to.
Saan sunod?
Last na to. I-explore na natin. Sasakit ang tuhod mo dyan bukas.
Kulambutan ko yung gulong ano ko.
Bakit?
Kasi pag matigas siya.
Wag, baka mabutas naman. Maiipit yan.
Tigas yun.
Kaysa maipit.
Bakit?
Pero smooth pa rin siya no.
Oo, smooth pa rin yun.
Ito lang i-upgrade mo kung gusto mo.
Alin?
Diretso natin yan?
Dito diba?
Sige, try nga natin yan. Ewan ko, saan babalik yan Gar?
Saan ang balik nyo?
Yun din.
Saan?
Yun. Yung, oh.
Pa ganun?
Oh.
Hindi na dito?
Wala, ewan ko kung meron dyan.
Tara.
Try natin. Sige. Explore natin, Gar.
Ah, ito.
Woke up at dawn, boots on my feet. The rooster's crow is my morning beat. Flannel shirt, tractors hum in the air. This simple life don't have a care. 'Cause I'm a country boy living it right under the stars in the pale moonlight, with the fields to roam and a heart that's true. Ain't nothing else I'd rather do. Fishing pole leaning by the old creek, mud on my jeans every day of the week. Mama's pie on the windowsill, working all day, but I love it still. 'Cause I'm a country boy living it right under the stars in the pale moonlight, with the fields to roam and a heart that's true. Ain't nothing else I'd rather do. Pickup truck rattling down the dirt road, radio on and my story's told. A dog by my side and a hat on my head. This is the life I've always led. Some might wonder, some might not see why this kind of life sets me free. It's the simple things, not the fortune or fame. It's the roots that keep calling my name.
Gar, jump yan, Gar. Ang lalim naman na ito. Ha?
Huwag mo italon.
Tinalon ko, Gar.
Kasi pag tinalon mo, dapat angat to, tatagal yan.
Ay, muntik na ako maging kwento. Huwag kong i-jump to, baka mahati. Ito lang naman. Wag, ayaw ko. Hindi ko itatalon ka. Dito lang. Yay! Tapos. Sige! Videoin kita! Slide lang. Ay, close at oh. Okay, una ka. Nabitin, Gar. Meron pa isa. Sige. Sige. Pangit. Oh, kaya kaya. Ito nga yung kanina rin, tapos babalik ko sa may ano. Yun na yung lagyan natin. Kari ko, Per! Woo! Maging kwento ka talaga dyan. Hey! Let's go! Woo! Dito ka, sukmin natin to! Hey! Ha? tayo dadaan. Come on. Sige. Sige. Sige, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Tingnan mo gabi. Ayoko, hindi kaya ng bed ko to. Dito lang ako, dito. Tanggal. Sobrang tarik. Ha? Hindi kakapit. Kaya ko rin, hindi kakapit yung gulong ko. Dito, kaya ko na to. Oo. Ikaw ka lang, Gar. Video kita. Baka maging kwento ka. Ito, ano, kaya mo yan? Widowmaker?
Rolling in the pickup, dirt road behind. Heart's in the hills, but my mind's in the grind. City lights flashing, they calling my name, but the crickets in the night, man, they play a sweet game. From the farm to the hustle, got that duality. Pouring coffee at dawn, dreaming of reality. Where the skyline's tall and the neon's bright, but I miss those sunsets, country stars at night. City dreams, country soul. Two worlds clash, but I'm feeling whole. Got my boots in the dirt, head up in the clouds. Living for the moments that make me proud. Got a heart for the harvest, hands in the soil, but that concrete jungle's got me working on my royal. Chasing after dreams, but I can't forget my roots. From the cornfields to the boardroom, letting loose. Fast cars and bright lights, but the moon's my guide. I'm a country boy living with that city vibe. Riding through the chaos, finding peace in the mess. In the hustle of the city, it's my country soul that's blessed. City dreams, country soul. Two worlds clash, but I'm feeling whole. Got my boots in the dirt, head up in the clouds. Living for the moments that make me proud. Yeah, I'm grinding hard, gotta make a name. But the simple life calls and it's never the same. From bonfires to board meetings, I'm torn in between. But I carry my heart where the grass is green. So here's to the dreamers, the doers, the bold. With a heart of the country and a spirit of gold. Gonna chase those lights, but stay true to my soul. In this life's wild ride, I'm taking control. City dreams, country soul. Two worlds in my heart, that's how I roll. With the beat of the street and the soul of the land, I'm living my truth.
Ay, sarap nito mga. Sarap magpahinga.
Baba tayo, saglit.
Ligo ka.
Ha?
Ligo.
Ayoko, ang lagkit niyan.
Bakit? Hindi ah. Mas malagkit yung sa dagat. River yan eh.
Yun,
Hindi yan tubig alat. Kanan tayo ka. Yan o, diretso. Diretso yan dyan. Oo, maganda yan dyan. Tapos mamaya, puro down dyan. Ganda yan, promise. Okay, enjoy ka dyan. Patrick! 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 Oh, dito talaga ang babaan. Gusto mo na ba bumaba? Gusto mo na bumaba? Ito, papuntang Dawson Park na yan.
Tara.
Ito, papuntang taas pa dyan. Papuntang taas pa.
Tapos
babalik na rin tayo. Yan, alam mo yung ano? Alam mo yung sa ano? Yung sa downtown na? Yan na yun. Yung pinagpicturean natin na ano? Yung may deck, may view deck. Yung may view deck doon na pinicture natin natin, doon ang labas yan. Ito, pag diniretso mo. Hindi, dito tayo pupunta.
Dito.
Hindi, wag yan.
Ano ba yun?
Packet yan dito. Ito talaga. Ito Gar. Angas dito Gar, maangas dito. Sigaw mo lang. Oh, downhill Gar. Ingat, ingat. Anyari? Ito Gar. Ang sarap Gar. Ano?
Down ako.
Normal lang yan.
Ang ano kasi lang. Ikot, sabi ano.
Dahan-dahan dito.